Welcome to this episode of Reality Report. Today we're diving into the world of STOs, shutdowns, turnarounds and outages. These events, which involve taking a plant offline for essential operations like maintenance, inspections and revamps, are critical moments for industrial facilities. But beyond just being necessary, they present an opportunity for long-term strategic planning. Joining us today is our guest, Flako, an expert in industrial plant management. According to the consultancy AFRI, a shutdown is generally the most critical event in a plant's yearly operations, but it is often not managed with the strategic foresight it demands. Why are shutdowns so crucial, and how can companies approach them with a long-term view?
Shutdowns are indeed critical. When approached strategically, they can become much more than just a pause in operations. Well-executed shutdowns ensure plants are running at a peak performance for years to come, preventing unplanned downtime and optimizing asset longevity. When a shutdown is planned with a 5 to 10 year budget and strategy in mind, it turns into an opportunity to align maintenance and capital investment with a broader organizational goals. Failure to do so can result in missed opportunities for optimization, unplanned downtime, and costly emergency repairs. On the flip side, a well-executed shutdown contributes to a long-term profitability, sustainability, and safety.
That strategic focus is often missing. Why do companies struggle to manage shutdowns effectively and in alignment with long-term goals?
You're right. Companies struggle because executing a shutdown requires coordination across many functions: engineering, procurement, and operations and finance. But beyond logistical challenges, many organizations don't approach STO events with a data-driven, future-focused strategy. Budgets are often reactive rather than proactive. Companies plan for individual events without fully integrating those events into a broader multi-year budget investment strategy. Poor data visibility, manual processes, and lack of centralized systems often make it worse.
How can companies overcome these obstacles and move toward a more strategic approach to shutdown management?
The key is data and the right tools. Companies need an approach that's centralized and data-driven and allows them to manage shutdowns with context of a long-term budget strategy. This is where Hexagon's EcoSys platform comes into play. EcoSys focuses on a portfolio management, budget strategy, and conceptual estimating. It provides organizations with the ability to align their shutdown budgets with their overall capital expenditure and operational expenditure strategies over the next 5 to 10 year period.
That leads us to the bigger picture. How can companies move from viewing each shutdown as an isolated event to embedding it into their 5 to 10 year planning cycles?
With EcoSys, companies can create a roadmap that not only estimates future shutdown costs, but also ensures that those estimates are grounded with historical data and adjustment based on current market conditions. This long-term view prevents cost overruns and helps companies allocate resources more efficiently across multiple shutdowns. By utilizing EcoSys, organizations can forecast and optimize their shutdown budgets and ensure they are aligned with broader corporate financial goals. This eliminates the reactive approach of STO management and integrates these events into a more structured long-term planning cycle. Companies need to shift from viewing STO events as tactical short-term actions to part of a larger ongoing process. This is where centralized STO portfolio management systems become critical. Our EcoSys platform helps companies manage their long-term shutdown strategy by consolidating data across all departments and projects. This means that they have the long-term visibility they need to execute shutdowns more strategically. EcoSys enables comprehensive financial planning and enterprise-wide visibility for STO events, ensuring cost control, strategic alignment, and informed decision-making. This unified approach not only improves shutdown efficiency, but also ensures long-term alignment with corporate goals by believing the insights gained from EcoSys. Companies can forecast and optimize future STOs, turning each event into a strategic opportunity for improvement.
It sounds like with the right tools and strategic foresight, shutdowns can become opportunities for long-term growth and optimization. That's it for today's Reality Report. If you have questions or want to share your experience, let us know in the comments. See you next time.